Indexes make queries faster, so you might think adding more indexes is always better. But there's a hidden cost that catches many developers off guard. Every time you insert, update, or delete a row, the database must update every index on that table. If you have 10 indexes, a single insert becomes 11 writes. 1 to the table and 10 to the indexes. This index maintenance overhead can slow down write-heavy workloads dramatically. In extreme cases, your inserts can take twice as long or more. Indexes also consume disk space. Each index is a separate data structure, often a B-tree, that duplicates portions of your table data. With many indexes, you can easily double or triple your storage footprint. Additionally, when the query optimizer sees too many index options, it can get confused and choose a suboptimal plan or waste time evaluating dozens of candidates before each query. Indexes can also increase lock contention. Multiple writes updating the same index pages can block each other, reducing concurrency. And don't forget ongoing maintenance. Indexes fragment over time, requiring rebuilds or vacuuming to keep performance from degrading. The more indexes you have, the more work your database does behind the scenes. Bottom line, indexes are powerful, but too many slow writes bloat storage, confuse the optimizer, and create maintenance headaches. Index strategically, not excessively. Practice this answer at interviewmentor.ai. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.